and just finished the breakfast. And right now we are going to the Tsukiji Fish Market for the second breakfast. Last night was my last sleep in a capsule hotel. So the experience is very nice. The waiters and receptionists is very good. They can talk in English as well. So right now we are going to the Tsukiji Fish Market and using the metro again. See you there. When it comes to rush hour, train is pretty crowded. As you can see, there are a lot of people standing inside the train. But somehow, they all managed to get inside the train without leaving any person on the platform. That right there is called the Inari Shrine. The specific one is called the Kabuki Inari Shrine. So as you may know, Inari is famous for its shrine, the biggest one with this so many gates, and it's called the Fushimi Inari in Kyoto, and this one is the small one. Here we are. We have arrived at the Tsukiji Fish Market, and the goal is to go there, the sushi zanmai. But that's only the billboard here, because the real restaurant is inside there. So let's go. Tsukiji Fish Market is known for their wide variety of seafood that you can pick and buy at a reasonable price. In this place you will also find this wagyu stall, very tempting, beef stall, sweets, and also snacks to fulfill all of your cravings. And finally, we have arrived at the sushi zanmai in Tsukiji Fish Market. You can tell from the board on top of the window and from this guy in front of the restaurant. One person?
1%? Yes. はい、カウンター1名様ご来店です。いらっしゃいませ。
They have this set menu for sushi. It is rather expensive though, but I think you will get most of the sushi from this restaurant just by ordering this set of sushi. And here is the nigiri sushi menu, which the price is range from 98 yen up to 550 yen per piece. You can also see all these fresh ingredients in front of you being served by the sushi chef. And here is the sushi I have ordered. The sushi chef actually served it one by one. The first one is the egg, the tuna, salmon, the crab paste, and then the squid. Let's give it a try. Did you know the proper way to dip the nigiri sushi into the soy sauce is from the top of the sushi first, so that the rice will not soak by the soy sauce and not fall apart. Overall, the sushi was very fresh, yet it doesn't smell fishy at all. The soy sauce has this very unique flavor, not too strong, not too salty, yet give a nice kick to the sushi. You can also add the ginger to give it more flavor to the sushi and more distinctive flavor. And then there's this tamago sushi, which is very unique because as you can see in the front, there is a very small portion of rice that doesn't fill up to the back. And yep, I messed it up because it is very delicate, yet it is still Japanese delicacies. So, here we are, right now in middle of nowhere, in Japan, of course. No, actually, right now I'm in Kawasaki, and for one good reason, and that is that over there. That's the quite well-known arcade. It's called Anata No Warehouse, and we'll check about that today. Let's go. Ikimashou. And here we are. Here's the entrance of the arcade. Let's called Anata No Warehouse, and
Let's see what lies behind this door. Oh great, another entrance, but this time it is slightly more creepy because of the sound. And you can hear a lot of people speaking right now. Well, it's all fake, because it's all created by the speaker on the ceiling. So right now, there are no people at all in here. But the decorations and the sounds made it feel so real, isn't it? And if you see over there, I think it is the second entrance from the parking lot. Let's see what's inside. It doesn't feel a lot normal than before, but in fact this is more creepy than before. You can see right now, there's a pond with a dragon head. Two dragon heads actually, that will guide you through the entrance. Passing through the second gate, you will see this escalator to the second floor, and the right side of it there's a creepy door that leads to no one knows where. And if you look to the left side, you will see this even more creepy decorations.
this is actually the lift. This is a legit lift. As you can see here, we are on the first floor, the parking floor, and the second floor is the gaming. The third floor is the middle game floor. The fourth floor is actually billiard and darts. And the fifth floor is the internet warehouse.
And if you see the right side of the lift, it opened by itself, even though I didn't call the lift at all.
For now, we are going to the second floor. Wow! As you can see here, this is the arcade. Like a legit arcade where you can play. Very cool, right? They even made a decoration like this. This is not real, of course, but in the camera it looks very real.
And here's the vending machine. It looks so old and rustic, yet the light is still turned on, and I think you can still use it like a real vending machine.
So, if you guys don't know yet, Anata No Warehouse is actually based on the Kowloon in Hong Kong. It gets the theme from there.
Now this looks like a more traditional and normal arcade with the claw machine, and the price is also unique. Here's the plushies and doll section for the claw machine.
They even have game that the price is Pringles. This is the Haribo candy. Wow. So this is the game that the price is food, like literally snacks. Wow. So if you do like playing games or visiting arcade, you might be in paradise right now. If you're in here, this is like, wow, so many games in one place, and at this time it is almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon and there's no one in here. Maybe only 5 to 10%, I guess, that playing right now, but none of that is playing in this section, man. Like you see behind me, it's all empty.
And of course, there are plenty types of games in this floor. Like, if you play it once per game, you can easily spend 10,000 yen just in this floor. Going up to the third floor, you will see this very cool looking decorations. Like literally, they step up their decoration game to another level in this place. Huge props for the hanging clothes, windows, and also the fans. You will feel like you are in another part of the city, but actually no, you are literally inside of this arcade.
So they also have the coin changer. They exchange their 1000 yen. You put it over here. And it will automatically change it to 100 yen times 10.
In this third floor, you will see these medal games, which the price is mostly to get more coins. Going up to the fourth floor, you will see this rather different atmosphere, like the decoration is different. And in this floor, you will still see the games, like the coin games, but mostly in this floor is about the billiard. Right there is actually the place for playing billiard. Those are all the tables. It's all empty. And to the right side is the darts arena. And there you have it, the quick tour for the Kawasaki Warehouse or the Anata No Warehouse. After a quick visit at Kawasaki, I'm heading back to Tokyo Station. And after that, I'm going to my last stop, which is Odaiba City. And I stop at this Aqua City to see this very beautiful scenery. And in here you can see the miniature State of Liberty statue, also the real life-size Gundam that can be transformed every an hour or so. You will also see this well-decorated mall, an indoor mall, which has this very nice blue sky ceiling and also the fountain. And if you step outside, you will see this giant Ferris wheel. And that is the end of Tokyo/Japan vlog episode 2. Make sure to stay tuned to get more videos about Osaka, Kyoto, and Nara in one vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.